Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Katie. Today I have another cook with me video. It was my husband's birthday over the weekend and one of his favorite desserts is German chocolate cake, but I added a little twist to it and I used a gluten-free chocolate cake mix, and it also has hidden sweet potato inside. I found this at Whole Foods. And pretty much I will just let the video explain everything. I will link the Pinterest page that I found the icing recipe, but I did have to change it up just a bit. If this is your first time here, then please consider subscribing. And also if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And also if you would comment down below if you have any questions or comments. If you've ever tried this brand of cake mix, I would love to know what you guys think as well. We thought it was pretty good. So, all right, I'm going to stop talking now and let you guys watch. so good. If you watched to the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.